Hello students, so we will solve this question about a rocket. So we will do this. So here, as you can see, a rocket initially at the rest on the ground accelerate vertically. It accelerates uniformly until it reaches a speed of 900 meters per second after 30 seconds. After this period of uniform acceleration, the rocket engine cuts out. During the next 60 seconds, the upward speed of the rocket decreases uniformly to zero. Means sudden deceleration is there. So that deceleration is also we can say straight line. Uniformly to zero. Na? So it is also uniformly means straight line. Straight line deceleration. Okay, straight line deceleration. And even for this uniformly accelerate, you can see until it reaches. So here also straight line acceleration. So that will be straight line graph, means constant speed graph. Same distance covered in that same minute, every minute, like that it is there. So straight line graph, IGST, straight line graph. So straight line graph for acceleration also and for deceleration also, means it will be straight line for both. So that we will solve here. Okay, so let's rub all these things. Now first we have to take scale also before doing this. On the x-axis time is written, so we will take time on the x-axis. So for the x-axis we will take 1 unit equals to 5 blocks. We will take in that way. So 1 unit means 5 blocks is equals to how much we will see. So we will take as 10 seconds, so that will be better. We will take 10 seconds, so everything will be accommodated. So first we will do this y-axis lining marking. So first we will do this. So we will here write x-axis and we will write here y-axis. So for x-axis we have written 5 blocks, means 10 seconds. So we will do this. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 20. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 40. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 50. 50. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 60. This is looking like 6, so I will rub this and rewrite it again. So 50, I will write this as 50 clearly. So now further we will do 1, 2, this 60 by mistake here, one more block was there, so we will make it proper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it is 60. 2, 3, 4, 5, 60. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 80. Here 70 will be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 70. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 80. Then here this line I will make it 80. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 90. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 110. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 120. So for x-axis we have done this. Now similarly we have to do for y-axis also. So for y-axis, as you can see here, they have given 900 meters per second. So we will take 100 meters. So means 5 blocks equals to 1 unit equals to 100 meters per second. So that we will take. So for y axis we will take 1 unit, 5 blocks equals to, we will take 100 meters per second. 100 meters per second. So in this way we will again put the, so let's put for 5 blocks, 1 2 3 4 5. So here 100, then again 1 2 3 4 5 200, then again 1 2 3 4 5 300, then again 1 2 3 4 5 400, then again 1 2 3 4 5 500, then again 1 2 3 4 5 600, 600, then again 1 2 3 4 5 700, then 1 2 3 4 5 800, then 1 2 3 4 5 900. So this we have taken 900. So meters per second speed we have done. We have written for y-axis also. So as you can see in the question, it accelerate uniformly until it reaches the speed of 900 meter per second after 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds means on the x-axis you have to take 30, on the y-axis you have to take 900. So y you will take 900 y-axis. So we will see. So let's mark here. So 30 and 900. So we have to see this is 900. So this is 900 now. So we have to make it in such a way that it should be on 30. So 30 is there. So this is the point. We will find the point here. So 30 here. This is 30. So we will take it up slowly till 900. So dotted line I will make, because this is just for marking. So till here, and for 900 it should coincide here on the 30th here. So this is where it is coinciding. So I will make this point here. This is the point. Now we got the point where it will meet like this. So where till here it will accelerate. So from 0 it is starting from the rest. So you have to make a straight line like this, straight line, full straight line. I will rub it. It is not looking like straight line. So I will make a straight line from these 2 points. We have to join with a scale. You can join, but I am joining like this only because scale can't be used on this. And then it is accelerating. Here they have written for 900 meters per second. So further they have given this during the next 90 seconds. You can see next 90 seconds, the upward speed of the rocket decreases uniformly to 0. Means 120 minus 30, because 30 already we have plotted now. So now it will come to 90. So means till, you can see till 120 you have to take it like this for next 90, because you can see this is 10, this is 20, this is 42, between 40 to 50 it is 30, 60 to 70 it is 40, then 70 to 80 it is 50, then 80 to 90 it is 60, then 90 to 100 it is 70, then 100 to 110 it is 80, then 110 to 120 it is 90. So till here we have to bring it down like this. These two lines you have to join here. At the y-axis, this 120 join line on the y-axis and this one. So make a straight line. Make a straight line using graph, using scale. So that is there. So in this way we can do. Now B part we will do. Using the graph, calculate the acceleration during the first 30 seconds. So as you can see, acceleration means rate of change of velocity, means change in final velocity minus initial velocity upon time taken. So V minus U upon T. So this will give acceleration. So as you can see here, So we here you can see final velocity is 900, here 900, so we will write 900 minus initial velocity here when it is coinciding, this is 0, so 0 upon time t, so 30 seconds they have asked, so 30, so this is where it will come, so 0 gone, 0 gone, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, so 30 is the answer. So acceleration is 30 meters per second square is the acceleration. So we got the answer for acceleration here. So 30 meters per second square acceleration we got. So now we will do second part of this sub question. So here, as you can see here, determine the height reached. So this is there they have asked. Determine the height reached by the rocket after 2 seconds, after 120 seconds, they have asked this. So height is given by this distance covered, means that is the displacement along the y-axis, so that is the height. So displacement covered, so that is the distance covered, so that will be area under the graph. So we can write distance covered equals to area covered under the graph. So area covered under the graph. So as you can see here, area, it is forming a triangle here. So we can name this triangle as ABC, we will name it. So I will increase the width of this pen. Now A, B and C. So now base is here till here 120. So base we know very well, and height also we know very well, 900. So base equals to, so as you can see here, 120, and height equals to 900. So half into base into height. Area of any triangle is half into base into height. So area of triangle equals to half into 120 into 900. Okay, so now we will do here 2 on the 2, 2 6 are 12, so 60. So it is coming 5400 kilometer, 5400 meters. Answer is in meters because answer they have given 54000 it is coming, because 900 is there and this 60 is there. So 6 9s are 54 and 3 zeros. So 54000 meters. So you have to convert it into kilometers. So divide by 1000 and it will become 54 then. The answer will become 54,000 divided by 1000 will give 54 kilometers. So now answer is 54 kilometers for the height reached. So 54 kilometer is the height reached.